chiamo Dina. Io sono croata.
Giampaolo.
Caterina.
Marta.
Zovem se Eliza, dolazim iz Italije.
Doris.
Lea.
Patrizia.
Gabriella.
Ime mi je Laura. Prihajam iz Italije.
Jaz pa sam Marjeta. Prihajam z Hrvaške.
Here we are, a group of teachers joining a training course about 3 very important points related to education: media literacy, inclusion, and entrepreneurship. We are in Pula, a nice Mediterranean town in Croatia, where there is a fantastic sea, lots of history, and delicious food. The best part of the course is that we are training non-formal activities to share with our students once back at school.
What was the most interesting activity for you?
I like it a lot when we built with spaghetti a little tower.
My favorite activities was no formal activities, such as the activity when we made something of physics around the class.
So for me, the best activity was train, where we acted to be someone else, and some others that watched us and saw our reactions.
I liked the Colombian hypnosis the best. It was a fun activity and I had so much laugh.
Oh, I love the language of Dardian people.
How important was to work together in diverse groups?
I think it was absolutely very, very important to share opinion, ideas, and to have the possibility to work together, deeply involved in what we were doing. We were absolutely very motivated in doing that. I really appreciated it.
È stata un'esperienza ricca di emozioni e un momento importante di formazione e di informazione.
La cosa più importante, ma soprattutto la cosa più bella, è stata quella di condividere con i colleghi di altri paesi questa esperienza.
How did it enrich you professional and personal?
The enrichment of your personal and professional life is up to you.
If you are curious to know more about actions, body language, and communication, why don't you join us?
Empathy,
Contribution.
emotion,
Diversity.
Creativity.
Communication.
Di basket!